Hey, Mike Naprella here with Peak Performance Physical Therapy and Sports Training. We spent some time showing you all what we call 3D functional dynamic stretching. I want to give you a little bit of a reminder before we go through each of the stretches as a review, why this way of stretching is so valuable. Remember, we talked about the idea of being authentic. So think about, as a runner, the position that you're in and the things that your body needs to do. You're not sitting on the ground. Your body's not quiet, it's not going to sleep, it's not relaxed. And so this method of stretching as a runner is so valuable because it's going to do a number of things. It's going to turn on your metabolism versus slowing it down. It's going to turn on your nervous system to make you peppy and make things ready to contract versus quieting you like traditional stretching may do. It's going to have your muscles contracted. Remember, as a runner, when you need that flexibility, your muscles aren't quiet and relaxed, but they're contracted when they need that flexibility. We're doing multiple joints at one time, which is really valuable and it's unique. And one of the other things is that you're moving, right? You're not standing still. And as a runner, when you use your flexibility, you're using it while you're moving, right? You're not standing still. We're not voguing. We're actually moving, performing athletic movements. And finally, it's 3D. What do we mean by that? We talked about the three planes of motion we move in. As a runner, you move in predominantly the sagittal plane, but we don't want to forget the side-to-side frontal plane and the all-important transverse planes that are going on. Those are really important for you to accomplish that sagittal plane motion. They're small, so you don't see them, but remember, if they're very small, little bits of loss can become really dramatic in the way that they impact your performance or they create injury risk. So this method will also incorporate that concept of using all three planes of motion during your stretching, even though we're often going to be dominating that sagittal plane. And so that's why we think this 3D dynamic functional stretching is a really beneficial way for you as a runner to prepare yourself for two reasons, right? One is to keep you healthy, to prevent injury, and the other is to improve performance. So check out these videos that we've made for you, and hopefully this will jog your memory, and this will get you running